Next, a young dad described as a likeable and devoted family man was crushed to death while repairing his car on a slope street in Skewen. A coroner found 27-year-old Daniel Burton died from traumatic asphyxiation after the angle stand supporting his Audi A3 slipped. Mr. Burton, a trained mechanic working towards his MOT qualification, had spent the day with his partner and children before starting work on the car outside her home on Southall Avenue. The coroner recorded a verdict of accidental death and extended condolences to Mr. Burton's family. Merthyr Tydfil Council could be fined nearly £300,000 if it fails to meet Welsh Government recycling targets this year. A new strategy says the council must reach a 70% recycling rate by next year or face penalties of £200 per tonne missed. Based on current figures, the shortfall would cost £292,000, but improving recycling could save over £800,000 annually. In 2022, over half of the contents in black bins could have been recycled, with 30% made up of discarded food. The council is now consulting on a plan to boost participation and flexible plastic collections and trial ultra-low emission vehicles. A new 66-bedroom care home in Newport could bring around 60 new jobs to the area. The proposed development by L&T Care on the former Whitehead Steelworks site is now awaiting planning approval from the City Council. The company says most residents and workers are expected to come from within 3 miles of the site. The new facility would be part of a larger redevelopment that includes over 500 homes and a new primary school. The care home would sit near Mendelgreave Road, close to the Cardiff Road junction. More than £360,000 is being invested in public spaces across Rundocon and Taff. The Welsh Government's Tidy Towns Fund will be used to repair potholes, refresh signs, improve footpaths and install more bins. Local leaders say the funding will help deliver small but meaningful improvements that matter to local residents. Council officers also plan to repaint railings and shelters, clean up fly tipping and restore damaged areas. The investment forms part of a wider £5 million package being shared across Wales.